What if I told you Elon Musk just dropped an AI that might be smarter than ChatGPT, better at math than Google's Gemini, and trained on a supercomputer powered by over 200,000 GPUs? Grok 3 isn't just an upgrade, it's a full-blown leap into the future of artificial intelligence. And most people don't even know what it can really do, until now. Elon Musk's XAI has officially unveiled Grok 3, and the tech world is buzzing. Built using the colossal Colossus supercomputer, Grok 3 is Musk's boldest move yet to challenge OpenAI, Google, and every major player in the AI race. This isn't just another chatbot. Grok 3 has new reasoning modes, advanced problem-solving abilities, and even its own AI-powered search engine called DeepSearch. In this video, we'll explore everything that makes Grok 3 a game-changer, from the hardware behind its power to how it stacks up against the giants like GPT-4o and Gemini. Buckle up, because this AI might just be the most powerful one you've never fully understood until today. In this video, we'll examine Grok 3's competitive advantages, game-changing capabilities, and implications for the future of artificial intelligence. There's more though, so stay put. We'll also discuss its covert weapon, DeepSearch, and the upcoming Grok 3, which features Musk's more ambitious goals to dominate AI. Grok 3's incredible improvements. Grok 3 is a total makeover, rather than only an improvement. One of its most significant advances is its enormous computer capacity. Grok 3, which was constructed within Musk's massive data center, is 10 times more powerful than Grok 2 and uses about 200,000 GPUs to function. Because of this increased raw processing capacity, the AI can now manage enormous amounts of information, examine intricate patterns, and provide answers more quickly and precisely. Grok 3 is doing more than simply staying updated with AI developments. It is expanding the realm of what is conceivable. However, processing power alone is insufficient. Grok 3 is unique in that it significantly improves reasoning and problem-solving skills. XAI claims that Grok 3 has surpassed DeepSeek's V3 and OpenAI's GPT-4.5 in vital benchmarks like GPK for PhD-level science questions and AIME for mathematical reasoning. These tests aren't merely random. These tasks determine an AI's capacity for thought, analysis, and problem-solving in the real world. Thanks to these enhancements, Grok 3 is more than just a chatbot. It's an AI that can more accurately solve challenging mathematics and scientific problems. The new brain architecture, which forms the basis of Grok 3's intellect, follows. This recent design enhances deep reasoning, long context understanding, and fast processing. Grok 3 can, therefore, manage complex talks, retain lengthy conversations better, and produce more precise, context-aware responses. Grok 3's new architecture is designed to think more quickly, process information more thoroughly, and react more intelligently, whether for coding, research, or real-time data analysis. The exclusive use of Platform X by Grok 3's direct interface with Platform X, formerly Twitter, is one of its most revolutionary features. In contrast to previous AI models that depend on pre-trained data and sporadic web browsing, Grok 3 has real-time access to all of X's events. This makes it a potent tool for social media intelligence, since it can search tweets, examine patterns, and extract real-time data. This combination has some significant benefits. Instant fact-checking comes first. Grok 3 can instantly validate information by pulling live data straight from X, which stops the propagation of inaccurate or out-of-date information. Grok 3 can cross-check facts in real time, regardless of whether it's a breaking news article, a viral claim, or a popular topic. Next is the prediction of trends. Grok 3 can spot viral trends before they become a significant problem by tracking and analyzing patterns in millions of tweets. Content producers, marketers, and scholars who want to stay on top of trends might find this helpful. Additionally, Grok 3's market analysis skills are a significant plus for anyone in business or finance. For traders and analysts who depend on real-time information, it can provide timely insights by tracking moves in stocks, cryptocurrency, and economic news as they happen. Grok 3 is more than just an AI. It links users directly to the internet's heart and is a real-time data powerhouse. The two revolutionary AI modes. Grok 3 offers two revolutionary modes that fundamentally alter how people engage with AI. The first is Think mode, which lets people observe Grok 3's thought process in detail. You may watch as the AI deconstructs its reasoning, offering transparency and a better comprehension of how it comes to conclusions rather than merely receiving a response. This represents a significant departure from conventional AI models, which frequently act as black boxes, providing users with answers without disclosing the methodology. Big Brain Mode elevates problem-solving to a new level. Grok 3 can tackle complicated issues more thoroughly and accurately with more processing power. This mode guarantees accuracy and dependability in its answers, whether used for complex scientific investigations, mathematical problems, or deep coding activities. These two aspects immediately address the lack of transparency, one of AI's main complaints. Users may now observe and manage how Grok 3 thinks and processes information rather than rely solely on AI-generated responses. This is a big step toward improving AI's interpretability, accountability, and usability. How Grok 3 compares to Gemini 1.5 and GPT-4o. Grok 3 is entering the fray with some significant weaponry as the AI arms race heats up. However, how does it stack up against Google's Gemini 1.5 and OpenAI's GPT-4o? Let's dissect it. First, processing power. Within xAI's Colossus data center, a staggering 200,000 GPUs were deployed to train Grok 3. This infrastructure was engineered to handle deep reasoning, extended context windows, and real-time data processing. Features that position Grok 3 as a heavyweight contender in the large language model landscape. This scale of training represents a notable leap in raw compute and throughput. It is challenging to compare GPT-4o and Gemini 1.5 directly because OpenAI and Google have not disclosed the precise number of GPUs used in each. However, Grok 3 likely holds the speed and accuracy edge due to its immense computing backbone, based on current benchmark results. Real-time access is another critical factor. Grok 3 is tightly integrated with X, formerly Twitter, enabling the model to pull and process real-time information directly from the platform. This provides a dynamic advantage in tasks that rely on the most recent data, such as news analysis or trending topic insights, while GPT-4 and Gemini 1.5 have access to updated information via their respective integrations, Bing and Google Search. Grok's native access to a live social platform may enable quicker responses and fresher insights, especially in breaking news context. Moreover, Grok 3 seems designed with a more opinionated, human-like personality, embracing Elon Musk's vision of a chatbot that offers more than just factual answers. This could appeal to users looking for engaging, conversational AI, although it may also introduce challenges in maintaining factual neutrality. Overall, while GPT-4o remains the benchmark for reliability and Gemini 1.5 leads in multimodal capabilities, Grok 3's brute computational force and real-time advantage make it a serious challenger. Whether you're fascinated by cutting-edge tech or just keeping an eye on Elon Musk's next big move, one thing is clear. Grok 3 is a serious contender in the AI space. From its innovative big brain mode to its powerful deep search engine, this model is pushing boundaries in ways we couldn't have imagined just a year ago. But with great power comes great responsibility and controversy. So, what do you think? Is Grok 3 truly the future of AI, or just another overhyped Musk experiment? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more deep dives into the latest tech breakthroughs.